Okay, I guess I am taping. I am doing a live video of me doing one of my nature walks. I got my stomach tucked in, doing my nature walk. I don't know if you can see. I got the stomach tucked in. I liked it yesterday video and yesterday nature walk, so I decided to do it again. Big old trees. Another glimpse. That's gonna look so pretty when I do post it. At least get a minute. I think yesterday I did like 58 seconds. This time at least get a whole minute, maybe 2 minutes of me doing my nature walk. I like the sun seeping through the trees. You see the shadows and the lights. I hope nobody don't try to photobomb me. Then I had to erase this shit. This is all about me. I mentioned photobombing earlier in my video because yesterday I was doing a video and a guy tried to photobomb my video. I'm like, okay, I don't know you. First of all, I don't know you. And second of all, it's all about me. He thought it was funny and cute and took your ugly ass on. This is not Chevette Nuthers. This is Chevette. Alright, I think I got 3 minutes of me doing my nature walk. I gotta go to work tonight. I hate my job. Well, I don't hate my job. I hate who they have me working around. And right now, I'm going through some shit on my job. I had to file agreements on my job. So I'm supposed to get paid for all the time that I was off. So I am going through some shit right now. And I'm just praying that not only do I get my money for having that time off, but everything irons out and they just leave me the fuck alone because they're discriminating. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I didn't got that out, even though I didn't go into deep details about what's going on my job and in my life, but I got that out. And also I'm gonna end this video because I'm walking and talking and I'm starting to breathe hard. All right, bye.